Bold statement? How about this? The secret to a robust and resilient body lies in the diversity of your workouts. That's a fact. Now, welcome to the world of fitness, where consistency meets variety. Today, we'll delve into the vast ocean of workouts, from strength training to cardio, and from HIIT to yoga. Each type of workout carries its unique benefits and challenges, and together they create the perfect symphony of a healthy body and mind. Let's start with strength training, the cornerstone of fitness. Strength training involves exercises that make your muscles work harder than they're used to. This increases your muscles' strength, size, endurance, and power. It's not just about lifting weights, though. Strength training can include everything from bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats to using resistance bands or machines. Next up, we have cardio, the heart's best friend. Cardiovascular workouts increase your heart rate, improving heart health and burning calories. Whether it's brisk walking, running, swimming, or cycling, cardio exercises are fantastic for improving stamina and reducing the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Now, let's talk about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This form of workout involves short bursts of intense exercise alternated with low-intensity recovery periods. It's incredibly time-efficient and can burn a lot of calories in a short period. HIIT workouts can include anything from sprinting and jumping jacks to burpees and kettlebell swings. Then, we have flexibility exercises. As the name suggests, these workouts aim to improve your flexibility and range of motion. They can include activities such as stretching, yoga, or Pilates. Regular flexibility training can help prevent injuries, improve posture, and reduce muscle soreness. Finally, there's yoga, the ancient practice that harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit. Yoga includes a range of postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques. It can improve flexibility, strength, and balance, while also reducing stress and enhancing mental well-being. So, there you have it. 5 different types of workouts, each with its unique benefits. Remember, the key to a healthy and fit body isn't to stick to one type of workout, but to diversify and challenge your body in different ways. Is it easy? Not always. Will it be worth it? Absolutely. Every workout you do, every bead of sweat you shed, takes you one step closer to your fitness goals. So, why not take the plunge? Try out these workouts, mix them, match them, make them your own. Remember, fitness is not a destination, it's a journey, and the beauty of it lies in the variety. So go ahead, embrace the diversity of workouts, and watch as your body thanks you with strength, stamina, and resilience. Here's to a healthier, stronger you. Enjoy your workout.